Safety Toolbox Talk number 199. What does an accident cost? Every accident has something in common. It costs everyone involved something. There are direct and indirect costs, both to the employee who was injured and the employer who eventually will pay for the accident. Employee direct costs: lost regular wages and overtime. Employee indirect costs: mental anguish, physical pain and suffering. Decreased active participation with their family and friends. It's tough to be at a ball game when laying up in a hospital bed. Inability to be productive on or off the job. Employer direct costs: workers' compensation claim. Medical bills. Associated legal and possible increased insurance costs. Uninsured property damage costs. Employer indirect costs. Loss of valuable employee with a result of lost efficiency on the job. Managerial and clerical time expended to handle injury claims. Time lost, wages paid with no work performed. Hiring and training replacement. Damaged or destroyed equipment, materials or tools. Thank you.